ngikutshela ukuthi empilweni kufanele ube sesimeni la owenza khona into ongayithandiko namhlanje ongayifuniko okungiyizo umnikela into oyifunako into oyithandako Can you believe this? If it doesn't hurt, there will never be changes. If it's uncomfortable, it will do nothing. Sinenkinga yabantu abafuna ukwenza into emnandi nelula but expect significant changes. Sinenkinga yabantu abafuna ukwenza into emnandi nebayifunako kodwa abalindele ukuthola amalisata amahle. Angeke wawathola amalisata amahle dumza. Angeke wawathola amalisata significant. Amalisata wow ngokwenza into elula ezwa kuwonke wonke. Impumelelo sikiyaka wonke wonke. Kodwana impumelelo sikiyaka wonke wonke. Kodwana wonke umuntu uzimnikeze bona aphumelele. Sinenkinga yabantu abafuna i-six-pack kodwa abafuna ama-sit-ups. Sinenkinga yabantu abafuna ukurhatha kodwa abafuna ama-auditions. Sinenkinga yabantu abafuna ukuba-educated kodwa abathanda ukufunda. Sinenkinga yabantu abafuna i-success kodwa abayifuna indlela to start. They don't want to pay. Abantu banenkinga yokufuna i-gain without going through pain. Not knowing that no pain, no gain. You cannot benefit if you didn't sacrifice. You will have to sacrifice something in order to get something. There must be severe pain that you must go through for you to enjoy the benefit that comes with it. Wow. Kifuna ukutshela ukuthi akekho umuntu ophumeleleyo zakhe afeyile empilweni.